Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix YouTube update error on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having any error or problem into your YouTube update, so let's see how can you fix that. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a stable or strongest internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open your settings, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you have connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. So sometimes it might be that your VPN is connected or your internet is weak, so your update cannot complete it. Or if you have checked them and you have still having the same issue, you have to go for iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage up to 10 GB free into your iPhone storage. If you haven't, you have to try to delete something from your iPhone storage. Once you have deleted it, will almost fix your issue. Or if this step doesn't work for you, so you just have to make a force restart your phone. So now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, wait for your phone until it goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And after that, you have to retry to update your YouTube, and your issue will be fixed and your YouTube app will be successfully updated. So in this way, you can easily fix the update for YouTube app or for any app on your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.